Oneplus 10 Pro. So this mobile is coming with a 6.8 inches of LTPO 120Hz refresh display. This mobile panel is going to support 10-bit colors, and this mobile is coming with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection at the front side, or even better at the time of releases. And this OnePlus 10 Pro mobile is coming with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, which is clocked at 3.21 or 2 GHz. This is an octa-core processor, and according to the rumors, this OnePlus 10 Pro mobile is going to coming with 12 or almost 10 to 12 bands of 5G bands, and this mobile is also coming with a lot of camera improvements. First of all, this mobile is coming with a triple camera setup with the back side, 50 megapixels of main wide and 50 megapixels of secondary ultra wide, and also a 10 megapixels of third periscopic zoom camera, and for the front it coming with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And we can see a dramatic improvement in the battery section. It is coming with a huge 5000 mAh battery, which supports almost, according to the rumors, it will support 90 or 120 watts of fast charge through wire, but it is confirmed that it will support 50 watts of wireless charge, and it will also reversely wireless charge other devices up to 15 watts. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile is coming with 3 variants, mostly those are 8GB RAM 128, 8GB RAM 256, and 12GB RAM 512GB and 12GB RAM 256GB internal storage variants. These are UFS 3.1 with LPDDR5X RAM types. And when we talk about the features, like this mobile is coming with Ultrasonic Scanner Gen 3 at that time of release, and it is going to coming with Android version 12 out of the box with the Oxygen OS 13 at that time of release. And when we talk about the features, like this mobile doesn't comes with a 3.5mm jack, and this mobile only has that Type-C port in that mobile. And when we talk about the build quality, this mobile is complete glass and metal build at the front and back side. So yeah, it's going to be a better mobile for as compared to the older generation. So this is about this mobile. And when we talk about the release date of this mobile might release at the January ending or February starting. So the expected price of this mobile will be around, it might cross 70,000 rupees because increase in the prices and chip shortage issues. So, and there are also rumors like this mobile comes with included box and included a charger cable and also a earphone in the box, not like the other mobiles which are removing these accessories. So yeah, let's wait until the mobile releases and let's see what is going to come. So subscribe to the channel for more videos.